Hello and welcome to Reliance Nippon Life Insurance Company's first ever Digital Family Carnival. We are delighted to have you here. We have gone digital for this celebration as today's times require a change in our social and corporate gatherings. We hope that you and your family enjoy this digital experience and make the most of the evening. To ensure that you have a seamless experience, please follow these important pointers. Registration. You should have received the registration link sent to you via email or SMS. Please click on the link to visit the registration page. We recommend using Google Chrome for better user experience. We would recommend the use of your laptop or tablet for enhanced viewing experience. A mobile may be used as a secondary option, and once again, we recommend use of Google Chrome as the preferred browser. Once you are on the login page, please enter your unique code, advisor code or CDA code or IM code or MA code or employee code to login. We would love to know who all from your family are attending this event. So kindly select self, kid, spouse, etc. from the drop-down options provided. Once you select the family members, please click Submit. The main event. To log in, please enter the valid login code and select the right user, self or family, and press Enter. Welcome to the Reliance Nippon Life Insurance Company's Family Carnival. Depending on your internet speed, the page may take a few seconds to open. Your wait will be worth it. We recommend that you access a strong internet connection via Wi-Fi or mobile data or hotspot to effortlessly visit all our carnival attractions. Press Enter to enjoy the bird's eye view while you are teleported to the Carnival Island. You have now reached the lobby area of the carnival. Spend a few seconds here to see the various attractions for you and your family to explore. At the event lobby, you will see a hotspot on all clickable areas like the game zone, kids zone, engagement area. Follow them to move around. We have ensured that you have a fun-filled evening. So to get a detailed view of what's lined up for you, click on the hotspot titled Agenda. Once you are through with the agenda, we are sure you will be absolutely excited and explore them all. The agenda will assist you with 1. Deciding which place to visit first by providing you with a view of the entire program. 2. Games, and more games for you and your kids. You can access the game zone from 4 p.m. until 5:30 p.m. to explore all the games and score as high as possible. Be the highest scorer and get on the leaderboard to boost your competitive spirit. The engagement zone is an interactive zone with 3 amazing kiosks. Each of these kiosks have a hotspot, and taking part in these awesome activities will help you accumulate bonus points for the leaderboard. Within the engagement zone, you will see a selfie corner, which lets you click a picture of yourself and your family. Please let it access your camera when you are prompted to do so. This also allows you to use your mobile's front or back camera to click a picture. You may also download the picture on your device to share or post it on Instagram, Facebook, Workplace as hashtag RNLIC Family Carnival. The Protection Center will have an informative video for you to watch. While you are there, do use our Protect-O-Meter to explore your risk calculator. Use the back key on your laptop or mobile to get back to the engagement zone. The mosaic wall will allow you to view pictures of all the other participants who are currently attending the family carnival. You may spot a few friends. From any zone, click on the lobby button on the bottom left of your mobile or laptop screen to revisit the lobby area and explore more options. After your visit at the engagement zone, you may get back to the lobby area and now experience the game zone. You have 3 games to play. These games can be accessed by clicking on the hotspots. Play all games in full screen mode for a mind-blowing experience. Once you've enjoyed each game, click the back key on your laptop or mobile to get back to the game zone. Keep scoring high and check the leaderboard. Your high scores will get you a chance to win exciting prizes. Once you are back in the lobby area, your children can follow the same steps and play games at the kids' game zone. The same logic applies here as well. That is, play more, score more, and check your rank on the leaderboard. Remember, we are playing as a family and points scored by every member of the family counts. The game zone and the kids zone will be available only between 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Make the most of it. At 5:30 p.m. sharp, get ready for your mega dose of laughter at the Comedy Studio. The one and only one, Jiveshu Ahluwalia, will be performing live for you. So, for the next 30 minutes, you will experience what LOL and Raffle mean for real. For the level 1 participants, hope you and your family had a great time. Hope to see you at the next event. For level 2 participants, picture abhi baki hai. Don't go anywhere. It's time for World of Recognition. Return to the lobby area and click on the Auditorium tab to enter our World of Recognition. Please log in using your unique code, that is advisor code, employee code, etc. and click enter. Enjoy the rewards and recognition program along with entertainment on full screen mode, and feel free to share your comments in the comment box on the bottom right corner of the page. You may use the option to cast or mirror your mobile or laptop onto your smart TV or TV by using the various options or devices available at your disposal. If you get disconnected at any time during the R&R show, please refresh and log in again. Win exciting prizes for watching the entire show. These prizes will be announced at the end of the show.